Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. And the Ripple CEO warns SEC may sue company over XRP sales, and this is very good for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies because the dump dynamics on XRP weren't really good for the system, and I think. Other news, the number of tweets containing the word Bitcoin hit a yearly high this week, and that is very good as well. It's an indicator retail is coming, and that is what we were missing a little bit until this point, I think, since it was mostly institutions buying. Very big difference compared to 2017. We haven't seen much shakeouts either this year. I think, of course, March was a big shakeout, but other than that, it was really easy to trade. This year. That really has changed compared to 2019, 2017, 2018. That was really more volatile and bigger moves and faster moves, I think, than we are seeing now. Taking a look at all the markets, S&P 500, gold, dollar, the Dixie, and the US Nasdaq, all kind of similar. All had a little dump yesterday. Nasdaq had a little wick again over here on the dollar pumping here. Really funny to see how everything is correlating. I usually look a lot at the dollar, and the dollar seems to have made a higher low over here and not a higher high yet, but could be a local bottom for now. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly is still looking very bad for the dollar. These are the two lines we're seeing. I will just draw them again, guys. But these are the lines we're seeing. And yeah, we really want that close below here. It's a really high time frame chart, so lines are not that accurate. We're on the weekly chart, but a break below here and a break below this one would really send us down. What happened here? This is where we had the 2017 bull market, just when the dollar was over here. So yeah, dollar going down while everything else goes up. Very bullish. We're here at the S&P 500. Had a dip as well, just like Bitcoin yesterday. And right now, we are still on support back in the rising wedge, if you still can call it that. I think what Bitcoin's next move is really depending on what the S&P 500 will do. To be honest, fundings came down quite nicely yesterday after the dump, and we start going up slowly again. Funding's not that high at all. We saw the exact same thing happen over here. We saw funding's high, just like here. We get a correction and we bounce. Over here we saw the exact same thing. Shakeout and bounce. When funding is high for a long period, we can see corrections. So we should have seen this one coming. Right now I'm in a small short. I do not expect the S&P to make new highs before Christmas. I expect a little correction and more bounce for the S&P 500, for the Dixie. I might be wrong, and I would still be happy to be wrong. Ethereum had a good day, and that is basically most because of Ethereum BTC. There were big buys on there, big walls, and it really was a bounce or die, or it really still is a bounce or die for Ethereum BTC. Very important level over here. I think I don't even have to explain it to you guys. It is very clear. Let's take a look at the hourly. And it bounced. Not violent enough for me yet to be confident. It's still a small bounce, but it broke up, and it has a long way still to go up. Ethereum USD is looking better. They're back above this line over here. Compared to last year, Ethereum is doing very well. Last year 360 was the high for Ethereum over here. So yeah, compared to that, it is not doing that bad. But yeah, we really want closes above here. Daily horizontal you can draw over here. And that looks a lot better. A daily close over here. Do we see anything else? Yeah, this is the lower time frames I chart on usually. This is where I scalp on. And I mean, this really is the level to break above for Bitcoin, sorry. Over here we saw the dollar start pumping. Always look at the correlations, sorry. And yeah, if the dollar makes a new high, breaks this level over here, I see downside for Bitcoin. So if they break above this one, make a higher one than yesterday, we will see downside for Bitcoin. Even though we are in a very bullish environment, fundings are looking very good. They all came down very much. But if the dollar goes up, you know, Bitcoin will go down. That is how I see it. We will need larger shakeouts. Fundings on margin exchanges look very good still, look very bullish. Fundings and predicted fundings are very low all over. So there is a lot of fuel when it comes to the usual trading. But I don't think if the dollar goes up, fuel to the upside won't help us to go up. So yeah, that is really how I am in it. I'm in a small short, scared for a dollar bounce. I could be wrong. I would be happy to be wrong. And the Bitcoin chart looks very good. But yeah, if the dollar starts bouncing, we need to watch out. Of course, if Bitcoin breaks this level, this next resistance is this one. And if that gives in, we have a lot of fuel to at least 25k. That is really how I'm looking at it. These are the first levels to break. After that comes this. And we can add this small one over here. If you trade with a little bit of leverage, make sure to use one of these sign-up links. With these links you'll get extra discounts on the trading fees, and trading fees eat your profits, so make sure to use one of these. I prefer Bybit the most. Otherwise FTX is pretty good as well. So yeah, that is about it for today. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And if you predict the price correctly for tomorrow, in exactly 24 hours after upload of this video, on Bitstamp, within $5, you'll get 100 USDT. So yeah, that's about it for today. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. See you guys again tomorrow.